everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So yes, we are back with another Easter DIY video. Really simple and easy, I promise. So first thing you're going to need is some yarn. I purchased this yarn from Michael's and I am using this from a previous project. If you haven't already seen my bunny wreath, I'll link that down in the description box. You will need a blank headband. I purchased this from another small business owner, but you can purchase these from Dollar Tree or any of your local beauty supply stores. I purchased this bunny bag from Dollar Tree, and you will also need some pipe cleaners, and I purchased these from Joann's. Oh, last thing, sorry, don't forget, you need your hot glue gun. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is detach our ears from our bag. See, I told y'all this is gonna be really easy. No sewing today. So we're just going to cut these off, and we're going to place these to the side, okay? So now that we have done that, we are going to use our yarn here, and we're going to place it on top of our headband. Now, you can place it around, or you can just place it on top like so. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to place mine going around. And I'm going to show you what I mean in a second. So just place a dab of hot glue there. Hold for a few seconds. So when I say you can just place on top, you can place on top going around like so. Because as you can see, this yarn will cover this completely like this. But it will expose the headband in the middle. But what I want to do is I'm going to actually wrap mine going around like so. Okay, so now you should have something that looks like this. And the next step is to take your pipe cleaner, and we're going to place it inside of this fabric, inside of the bunny ear that we cut off from the bag. And we're going to have something that looks like this, okay? So you want to take your pipe cleaner. You're going to twist the ends. And you're going to just pinch a little bit to the back. Like so. Okay, so we're going to straighten this out because we do have to insert it inside of the fabric. Okay, and once it's inside of the fabric, you'll be able to spread out the pipe cleaner and manipulate it exactly how you want it. This is just so you can have it inserted inside of there. You want to make sure that you have it closed tightly, but as you can see, I can stretch it here. Can you? I don't think you all can see. Okay, you can probably see just a little bit now. But we're gonna hot glue the back of here, the back of the fabric, just like this, sandwiching these two pieces together. Okay, so we're gonna just place a dab of glue here on the back, just a little bit, and we're gonna pinch these two pieces together. Be careful because hot glue is hot. So do not burn yourself. Okay, so now that we have our two ears, we're now going to attach them to our the base, the frame, our headband. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find like an insert here, and I'm going to hot glue the pieces in between the fabric, okay? And I'm going to pull the fabrics over the pieces, and I'm just going to place a little bit of hot glue so that these pieces are not exposed. So one here, and I'm going to place one. Just trying to figure out how everything is going to look. So one here and one about here. Okay, that looks good. I'm just going to spread this out a little bit so I can remember exactly where I want to place it. So we're going to place a dab of glue there. And you're going to firmly press down your piece here. Just hold it for a few seconds. The hot glue String is everywhere. Okay, so once you have that piece down, we're gonna work on the second one. Repeating the same steps, we're gonna place a dab of hot glue in the center there. And we're gonna place our piece down, holding it for a few seconds. Okay, so once those are down, now we can kind of fix it up how we want it to be. Okay, so I want to cover the back pieces like I explained before. So these are kind of like exposed here. So I'm going to pinch my yarn pieces together and I'm going to cover it over to fit over those pieces there. So just place a little bit, and I'm actually going to squeeze it from a distance. Hold it for a few seconds. And I'm going to repeat the same thing to the opposite side. So you're going to place a dab of glue on the back, just a little bit. You're going to stretch your yarn and cover up the back piece. Yep, just like that. Hold it for a few seconds. Okay, you should be good after that. And if you have any extra glue, just wipe it away. Okay, and now we can move our ears around, do what we want to do with them. You can place them down, one up, one down like this. Okay, so this is the finished project. It's super cute. I love the way that it's turned out. The yarn feels so good on my skin. I love the way this came out. So again, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Really simple, easy, and super cute. And the products are not hard to find. So if you give it a try, make sure you tag me. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned. We still have more Easter DIY videos coming soon. Talk to you guys later. Bye.